Yo, what's good, my fellow main characters? My name is Bam, and welcome to Hype for All. Yes, your boy got some tea, and he's got his blanket on. That's because your boy's a little bit under the weather, man. But I've been really craving watching ChainSaw Man. I've been really craving creating a video for ChainSaw Man, and even though I feel like I'm not in the best, most optimal hype state condition to be making content, I just want to make content, man. But for right now, guys, we are finally, actually, I'm getting hot. Get off me! We are finally, my main characters, finally watching ChainSaw Man. And there's currently 5 episodes out of ChainSaw Man. I don't know if I'm going to try to catch up to where everybody's at right now and try to bunch up these episodes. But at least for this video, I'm just going to live react to the first episode, see if ChainSaw Man is really living up to the hype that everyone's talking about. And I'm pretty sure it is, because those trailers were nice. You know what? Without further ado, my fellow main characters, let's just get right into it. Let's get into ChainSaw Man. Okay, we starting off in an alley. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, this beginning of the series, it reminds me of so much of like how a lot of first-person shooter games, like when they have their story mode starts off. I was just getting like, do I have a controller in my hand? Like, am I about to play a game? The sound direction. Bro, what? Yo, my man homeless. My man living in the shed. Like, the shadows and the lighting in this series is pretty good. Whoa! Wait, what? Did my man just say he sold an eye? But wait! There's more! What? What the fuck? No! 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 Guys! No! We're selling the family jewels? Oh my god! Wait, who's buying... Who's buying nuts? So my man is in debt. He's trying to pay off these debt collectors. Hold on, wait. 38 million yen. How much is that in US?
38 million Japanese yen is approximately $259,296.27.
Yeah, that's a big chunk of change for sure. For sure. Okay. Okay. What is that? Oh, we didn't even get to see the fight? Dang. Wow. The disrespect. So that's basically like $70 or something like that? Dang, yo. Down bad. Wow, so it's not even his debt? Why people be... Oh my gosh. Wow. Yo, my man Denji is down bad. Yo. What? Bro, Bro, he's just a kid. You took a L, bro. Like, what are you talking about? You took an L. As the loan person, you took a L for giving the loan to the person that decided to check himself out. But like, also like, yo, this is so messed up. Also, imagine Denji's dad being like, knowing the situation he's in, knowing the type of people he's dealing with, and still abandons your kid to have to deal with that himself?
Oh, that's not right. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the definition of down bad for sure. For sure. And then a demon pops up behind you?
Help me!
Oh!
Me!
Oh, so what can you do? Huh? Oh, so he literally made a deal with a devil. Dang, and he's been just for like how long, yo? Because he's like a young adult right now. What? Bro. What happened? Oh my gosh! This guy can't get a singular break. Yo, how come I feel like this is a setup, low-key? I don't like this. Why we gotta go all the way out here, bruh? See, this is giving me sus energy. See? When you started asking questions like that, this is sus. Oh man, Denji, this is bad. I would dip. My black sister tells me we gotta go the other way, man. Yo, kill this guy right now. The way you talking, bro? Why would you do that? Oh snap, he's a demon. Wow. Oh! That thing is disgusting looking. Yo, look at this zombie apocalypse. Dang, my man is not good. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is literally like my worst nightmare. Like this being the zombie apocalypse, already damaged and hurt, being cornered from every angle. This is literally Let me show you something. Let me show you something real quick. See this right here? I have it right by my bedside just in case situations like this pops off or I ain't slacking. So as soon as I wake up, I'm ready to go. Wow! I'm ready to go. Like I'm ready to like little jabs to the head, push them back real quick and like line it up. Bow, your boy's ready for it. Back, bow.
Let me stop. Y'all ain't ready to see all that.
Okay, Denji, with the tactics. See the zombies, they tripping up on it. Oh snap, they walked right over. Damn, Denji really bad. Oh my god. Denji! 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 Oh! Oh no! Oh, that's not good! Oh no! Oh! Lord, bro! Oh my goodness! No way this man's still... They threw him in the trash, bro.
Know your fucking place, trash.
Oh my god!
Yeah, he's done. His head is chopped off. Oh, he's done. Holy snap. Whoa. Oh my god! Yo, my brain was not ready for Pochi to actually have a voice come out. That blew my mind. Okay. Oh, the zombies are still around? You're the gross one. Don't talk about gross. So you know exactly what to do with that? You're just gonna pull it and see what happens? Holy snap. Oh, you guys hear that? Oh! Whoa! Okay. It's throwing bodies at him. What? Wow. Jeez. Yo. Yo! The power of the chainsaw, bro! Jeez! Oh my gosh, this is a shot from one of the trailers. Wow. Hug me? That's the first thing my man asked for, just hug me. Okay. Alright. I'll stick with the human part. Sounds like a better situation than eating one slice of bread each day, so I mean... Yo. Yo, I never thought about this, man. But a chainsaw as a weapon, because I've seen chainsaws as a weapon used in like video game and pop culture before, but chainsaw as a weapon, that sound, man, yo. It's hard to say if I enjoyed the first episode. I was really pulled in by the first episode because Denji's so down bad, like from his father's situation to his mother's situation to like his living situation to everything going on. I was like, the moment this man told me he sold a testicle just to get by.
That's rough, buddy.
That's crazy. So anyways, my fellow main characters, like the video for me to smile. Comment this video made you think, and subscribe when to see more. And always remember that yes, you are the main character for your own story. My name is Bam, and I'm out.